This is my fifth one.
I gotta go get y'all some more bait.
I don't think we got any.
I don't feel like there's many in there.
so
You feel
happy.
one at all?
A tiny one.
Yeah, get him. That'll catch you a fish.
I didn't catch any last time. You didn't catch one?
All right, I'll hold the pole.
Got him.
All right.
I think this is the same one I just caught, maybe. I can't get the hook out, Gary. It's at a weird angle.
I got him.
He went to go give Miss Casper his graduation invite.
Now there's a 1 minute video of you struggling.
That's okay.
Don't post that blooper, Gary.
There you go.
I showed you the bass I caught last week, didn't I?
Yeah, you showed me.
That one was big.
Let's see where I'm at height-wise. He's on the ground. That's probably good. Whoa, this thing's set up left-handed.
Yeah,
How
I'm
you
not
like it?
left-handed, no.
Oh.
But I kept having to turn the bite thing.
Oh man, look at that.
The bite thing kept turning on. I didn't like that.
No, I can't change it. I need a dime. Okay.
This needs to go up. There's no more in there.
Oh man, did I?
You gotta get the.
I think the minnow flew off.
5 fishies.
Oh, that was good, man. Go back there and get another. I'm about to go get y'all some more minnows. All right, I gotta go get y'all some more minnows.
There's there a crawdad in there?
Yeah, there's some crawdads. You want a crawdad?
A
All right.
crawdad.
All right, here, I'll go get the other spare bucket and bring some more bait.
I can catch.
Okay.
This is traumatic.
You distracted me and I'm getting a fish! Aha! Oh my gosh! Austin, distract me again. Okay.
Oh, that's a good crappie.
Yay. Okay.
Live interviews, part 1.
Hey, I caught a stick today.
You caught a stick. So, how is fishing with Gary?
It's really good. I was having a really bad day getting bullied by middle schoolers all day, and this is a nice treat to come catch a stick.
You heard it here first, folks.
Josiah, how's your fishing going?
It's going good. I already caught a fish.
You already caught fish?
Yes, the first time we came over here, like 15 seconds in, got one. It's pretty decent size too.
What kind of fish was it?
Oh, I have no idea.
Oh, okay.
I am not an aquaculturalist.
Ansley, how is your fishing going?
I haven't caught a fish yet, but
Oh.
Josiah didn't want to pick up his fish off because he dropped it on the ground. So I carried his fish around.
Oh, you carried around for
We
him?
both took a picture with it though.
Oh,
And
okay.
I'm the one that picked it up, so basically it was our fish.
It was your fish.
It was our fish. It was combined effort.
Look at that. Are you having a good time fishing with Gary?
Oh yeah, always.
Look at that. First one of the day. He kisses it back in the water. Good job.
Gary, I think this hook's a long one.
Another fish from the great late legend. Oh yeah. Kiss it for good luck. Back in the water.
How's your fishing going?
It's going good. I've had a few bites.
That's good.
Yeah.
Not caught anything yet?
Oh no. They've caught like everything so far.
That's good.
Camera. Oh, that's massive, bro. Oh, let me get a picture. Hold on.
All right.
How many times did it take you to catch the fish? One time.
How's it going, guys?
I caught 6.
You caught 6?
I got one.
You caught 1!
Wait.
I am. We're about to make
As
Make it 2.
Make it 2 live on camera.
That's not 3. It is 3? Okay, make it 3 then. Yeah, 'cause we've been
Just Sassy live in action.
so focused on Ansley's fish. Oh, how you say it? You said like kind of.
Down.
Alright, fine. Lower to 7.
There we go. Oh, Ansley. Yep.
Good job. So how many does that make today?
I guess 3.
How are y'all liking fishing with Gary so far?
I'm really liking it.
I'm liking it too.
Right now, I don't know what everyone is at, and I'm trying to get that winning spot. Personally, I'm at 6. I know Maddox is at 5. Not letting him win.
I'm just trying to fish.
He's just trying to fish.
I got 3.
You got 3. You got 6.
I'm scared he's gonna hit me with the thing.
We're fine. You're fine.
But thank you, Gary. This is a great pond, and we're very appreciative of you letting us use it.
Yes, Gary.
And we're having a great time.
Yeah, we love you, Gary.
All right.
Love you, Gary.
Everybody's having a great time fishing with Gary. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Cast farther, faster. Are you getting very many bites?
Huh?
You getting lots of bites? Push a button. I'm gonna put you a little bit deeper. No, open the thing. I didn't look. See. Yeah. What does that one weigh? Oh man, that's the biggest one so far. Nope, easy, easy.
No, I got you, dude. You walked right into it. There you go.
I saw you swinging at me. All right, what's gonna be your technique? Hold the hook.
Yeah.
Hold the hook so you got a little bit of handle on him. Hold the end of the hook. Okay, now you got something where you can't wiggle as much. There you go. I always like to put, start with my pinky and slide down from his eyes. Put your pinky, you put your whole hand around him. There you go. Now put your hand down and slide down, or you can hold him right there. You got him down. Okay, now just figure out which way your hook is and push it back out.
I'll see the other end. He swallowed it.
Oh, you got a lot of handle. Let's see. All right, let him go. Give me that hook. All right, there he is. You're welcome.
Maddox, I caught another!
Keep, what is that, baby?
My camera.
I think you lost. No.
No, you're on.
You got it. Keep reeling.
Catfish.
Catfish.
It's the first catfish we caught, right?
Yeah, first one today. Look at that.
Got him right in the underjaw.
Okay, so here's how you do these catfish. This, and this will get you. So you wait till he spins like that and then you go under them. All right? Then you gotta get that hook back out. But yeah, these guys will stick you. These especially are.
So not these?
No, those whiskers won't hurt you at all.
Oh, so that's what I was scared of.
Yeah, no, they're you can touch them. That's how he smells stuff with his whiskers.
Oh.
And he kind of feels with. He's got things all down his body that he can smell bait with. Yep. All right, he's going back. Oh no, he's about a pound. Oh, you got a fish. Oh man, look at that. All right. Oh, she's got a big crappie.
I'm putting you a bait on.
All right, I'll go walk over there and get that off. That's a good crappie. All right, lead this way in some mouth. All right, take your hand out. There you go. Now look here. Okay. Good fish.
Oh, it's giant. First fish I've ever caught.
Yeah, really? Well, that's good. Yeah, we've had a couple other people out here last year that these were their first fish.
Oh, that's
Yep.
decent. All right.
Okay. First place prize, $40 at Texas Roadhouse.
Oh, yeah.
Ansley won the most fish caught with 12 fish?
Yes.
12 fish today, so she is going to get me, she is going to get a Take Me Fishing Gary license plate. Oh man, and you're on. All right, so Ansley, what state do you want your license plate from?
Georgia.
Okay.
Wait, let me get a picture.
Well, you got a bass?
I can take it off for her, Gary.
All right.
I'll take it off for you. I'm gonna take it off. I'm terrified of these things.
All right, for your first fish out here with us, you can have this hat, or you can have a brand new Zebco rod and reel that I don't have with me, but I'll bring you one. Okay, all right, I'll bring you it's a Zebco 33 like that, only it's a black one.
Father.
I'll get you information and I'll get it to you. Well, that's nice. He's a little thick.
I probably got him twice already.
Well, there's hundreds of them that size, it turns out.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.